Moisture is one of the most common causes of flooring failures. That's why moisture vapor mitigation is critical, and choosing the right product matters. Laticrete offers VaporBan, a full line of moisture barrier solutions designed to control the moisture vapor emission rate from new and existing concrete, including our latest VaporBan Primer W, a ready-to-use water-based all-in-one vapor barrier and primer that simplifies installation and saves time, labor, and cost. One component, no mixing, no epoxy, no separate primer needed. Rated for 100% relative humidity and up to 25 pounds moisture vapor emission rate, it meets strict industry standards and prepares the substrate for flooring or self-leveling underlayments at any thickness. Safer for installers and sustainable for job sites. Hypoallergenic, red list free, low VOC, low odor, and non-flammable. Convenient and easy. Use what you need and watch for the color change to signal it's dry. Safer, simpler moisture control starts here. With built-in performance and ease of use, installation is just as straightforward. Let's walk through the application process. Before you begin, ensure concrete is clean, sound, and free of contaminants. Some basics to consider before application. VaporBan Primer W is for interior use only. Ensure that the concrete has an International Concrete Repair Institute surface profile of 1 to 3 with a surface temperature of 50 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 to 32 degrees Celsius. Product Data Sheet 36650 offers additional details for application. Open the resealable bucket and blend using a slow-speed drill. You will need 2 coats of VaporBan Primer W. Apply the first coat by pouring ribbons directly onto the prepared concrete. Use a notched squeegee or trowel to spread it evenly, targeting a wet film thickness of 8 to 10 mils using a wet film gauge. Immediately after, back roll with a high-quality 3/8 inch non-shedding roller and repeat at a 90-degree angle from the original direction. This ensures consistent coverage. Use a paintbrush to work the product around edges, columns, and penetrations. Periodically, check your film thickness. Allow the coat to cure for 1 to 2 hours or until dry to the touch. Watch for the color change as it dries from light gray to tan, indicating it's ready for the next coat. Apply the second coat using the same technique and film thickness. Allow 1 to 2 hours for the second coat to dry before installing self-leveling underlayments or flooring adhesives. VaporBan Primer W. Moisture vapor control made simple. Work safer, greener, and faster without compromising performance. Learn more at laticrete.com.